Hello friends, this is Miss Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to do the cleanup freeze activity for the warm-up of the lesson on cleanup. Alright, so I have all this stuff on the floor. So this is supposed to be a messy room. So you're going to take your children into their messy rooms and you're going to have them clean up. That may be a little overwhelming for them. So here's something that I suggest. So it helps if you have labels. Like we have labels for paint, paintbrushes, and for cups. And my canvases go over there because I have some canvases on the floor. And it's important to let them know that having a messy room can be dangerous because they can trip and fall or something may break. So we are going to start by picking one thing up at a time, and then we're going to move on to something else. So when I say go, the kids are going to pick up one thing and put it back where it belongs. And then when I say freeze, we're going to stop, and then I'm going to say a different number. Okay, let's demonstrate. One thing, ready, and go. Freeze! Okay, now we're going to pick up two things. Two things, ready, and go. Freeze! Okay, this here. Now we're going to try three things. And go! Four things now. We're going to pick up four things. And go. Okay. We're going to stop for now, and you can continue at home. Look to see how the floor changed. Do you remember what it looked like before? Now look at this. This is one way in how you can make cleanup fun. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.